everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Anindita Mariska, MPM 22,111,036, Class Management 22A. Motivation and job satisfaction. Introduction. Motivation is a complex process that starts within an individual and results in action that are aimed at achieving a specific goals. It is the depth of desire to do something, and it can be influenced by a variety of factors, including internal and external stimuli. Job satisfaction is employees' performance of their job, reflecting their feeling about it. It is a measure of how much an employee enjoys their work, their colleagues, and their company. There is a strong relationship between motivation and job satisfaction. When employees are motivated, they are more likely to be satisfied with their jobs. This is because motivation can lead to increased productivity, engagement, and some correlation with work outcomes. Motivation factor. Motivational companies MNCs play a significant role in the global economy, and their employees' motivation and job satisfaction is a complex and motivating issue. And on how MNCs can often employ a number of potential benefits, as higher salaries and benefit. MNCs often have the resources to pay their employees higher salaries and offer more generous benefits packaging that smaller companies. This can be a significant motivator for employees, specifically those who are looking for financial security, opportunities for advancement. MNCs often have a larger and more complex organization structure than smaller companies, which can benefit employees with more advantages for advancement. This can be a motivating factor for employees who are ambitious and career-oriented. Internal exposure. MNCs after operate in multiple continents, which can give employees the opportunity to travel and work abroad. This can be rewarding experience. This can broaden employees' horizons and enhance these skills. Motivation factor. However, there are also some potential challenges that MNCs can pose for employee motivation and job satisfaction. These challenges include bureaucracy and red tapes. MNCs can be large and bureaucratic organizations, which can make it difficult for employees to get things done and feel like their contributions are valued. This can be demotivating for employees who are used to working in a more fast-paced and agile environment. Cultural difference. MNCs often have employees from a variety of different cultures, which can lead to misunderstanding and confusion. This can make it difficult for employees to feel connection to set challenges and the organization as a whole. Work-life balance. MNCs often demand long hours and require employees to travel requiredly, which can make it difficult to maintain a healthy work-life balance. This can be a major source of stress for employees, especially those who have families or their communication through of work. The relationship between motivation and job satisfaction. Motivation and job satisfaction are the important concepts in the workplace. Motivation in the internal drive that makes us want to do something. It can be included by variety of factors such as our needs, goals, and values. Job satisfaction is the extreme to which we are happy with our job. It is influenced by a variety of factors such as our work advancement or relationship with our relatives and our workers. That there is a strong positive relationship between motivation and job satisfaction. We are motivated to do our work, we are more likely to be satisfied with it. This is because motivation leads us to put more effort into our work and to be more engaged in our tasks. As a result, we are more likely to achieve our goals and to feel a sense of accomplishment. Additionally, motivation can help us to keep with the company of, of your work, which can make you more relationship and satisfaction overall. Here are some on the ways in which motivation and lead a job satisfaction. It includes our engagement, it includes our pursuit, it includes our relation, it promotion or growth and development. The the relationship between motivation and job satisfaction. Here are some space strengths their employee can do motive their employee the includes job satisfaction. Set clear and effective goals when employees know what is expected to them. They are more likely to be motivation to accept it. Provide regular feedback help employees to understand how they are doing to what they need to improve. Of, offer opportunity for assessment. Employees are more likely to be motivated in the now that there are employees for them to advance in their careers. Create a positive work environment. A positive work environment can make employees feel valued and appreciated. Recognize and work enrolled achievement. Recognizing and reward employees for their achievement can help to boost morale and motivation. By taking their self, employees can create a workplace that is motivating and stimulating for employees. This can lead to employee productivity, reduction turnover, and more staff positive and engaged workforce. Conclusion: motivation and job satisfaction are two important factors in the workplace that can have a significant impact on employee productivity and overall well-being. By understanding the relationship between these two types and taking steps to promote both, employees can create a more positive and productive work environment for our employees. Here are some of the key takeaways from this direction on motivation and job satisfaction. 1. Motivation in the internal drive that makes us want to do something is the validated by a variety of factors such as our needs, goals, and values. 2. Job selection. Job selection is the exam to which we are happy with our job. It is influenced by a variety of factors such as our work environment, our relationship with our relatives, and your workload. 3. There is a strong positive relationship between motivation and job satisfaction. When we are motivated to do our work, we are more likely to be satisfied with it. 4. Employers can be an important role in motivating their employees by setting clear goals and providing regular feedback, offering opportunities for achievement, rating for positive we environment, and regulating and rewarding achievement. Thank you. See you again.